To talk about the weather. Today is going to be a first alert weather day starting at about 4 o'clock this afternoon, and that's when you guys expect that things are going to change for us, right, Brittany?
That's exactly right. That's when we're likely going to be tracking some showers and thunderstorms developing out west of I-35. As we get through the midday hours, though, things are still looking pretty quiet. We have a lot of clouds around. We're continuing to see that moisture moving up from the south, and that's going to help fuel these thunderstorms as they work their way eastward through the evening hours. So here's a look at 4 o'clock. Notice those storms are bubbling up in our western counties. These are mainly going to have a large hail and a tornado threat. And as they continue to work their way east along I-35, notice we're starting to get a little bit more of a linear pattern to it. So as these continue to work their way into the metroplex, we are looking at more of a damaging wind threat with some quick spin up tornadoes. But here's a look at 8 o'clock. Notice them around Collin, Denton County up towards the Red River, moving right through Dallas and Tarrant County, still around 9 to 10 p.m. And they are moving pretty fast. So by 11 o'clock, clearing out of the metroplex, starting to head into our eastern counties, and then closer to 1 to 2 a.m., they're moving into East Texas. And we still could see a couple of showers developing behind that initial line, but these will not be severe. This would just be another round of rain for us. And even that is going to race off to the east. So by sunrise on Tuesday morning, we're already waking up to those partly cloudy skies, and it will be noticeably hotter tomorrow as well, with temperatures back in the upper 80s. But the Storm Prediction Center has issued that enhanced risk for the areas highlighted in orange, and that does include Dallas and Fort Worth over into Bridgeport, and then off to the east of seeing severe storms later this evening, and a slight risk, a level 2, for some of our western counties. So we are looking at damaging winds as the main threat with these storms moving right across I-35. We could also get that large hail, especially when they initialize in our western counties. Also has that tornado threat once we start seeing them developing, and then quick spin up tornadoes along the line moving through the metroplex later this evening. Just like we had a couple of weeks ago when we started to see more of that squall line. We were getting those 60 to 70 mile an hour winds, and then we just got those quick spin up tornadoes. They still pack a punch and they still do damage, but they're not at those long track tornadoes that we might see sitting off to the west. And flooding will be less likely a concern, but some spots might get a little bit of localized flooding. We'll likely see widespread 1 to 2 inch rainfall totals, which we definitely need the rain. Some spots in the purples could get closer to 2 to 3 inches of rain, but any of that flooding is going to clear out pretty quickly once those storms move out. But here's the front. So we have moisture moving in, we have this front and a disturbance moving in, all of that working together to spawn these strong to severe thunderstorms that we're looking at later on this afternoon. But as you're headed out right now, 67 degrees in Dallas and McKinney, 68 in Denton. Moving through the afternoon, we'll see temperatures warming up to around 80 degrees. But we have a significant change on the way for your Tuesday. Southwesterly winds will be picking up. We'll see some gusts up to about 25 to 30 miles an hour. And then we have a front that moves in Tuesday night into Wednesday. This will move through dry, but notice that drop in temperatures. We're back to highs in the lower 70s on Wednesday. Still more cool air moves in Wednesday night into Thursday. So that's going to keep us a little more seasonal for the end of the work week. And then we're right back to the 80s by next Sunday.